Hey guys, it's Angie from the Freckled Crafts Studio and welcome to my channel. As most of you know, this is the part 2 of the unboxing video from the Rayson TD-130 wire binding machine. This video will be solely focused on the making of my first notebook, but if you would like to see an unboxing of the machine itself, check out my most recent video. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, here's a list of the tools and materials I use to create this notebook. So first things first was the designing. I designed everything on Canva. It was pretty simple. You can find some pre-made templates, but this one I made myself and I added my logo. Once I lined it up to my liking, I sent my form to my printer and printed 50 sheets. This double loop wire is 7.9 millimeters, which means it can hold up to 46 to 60 pages. In my case, I'm only going to do 50 plus the front and the back, which is 52. The maximum amount of sheets you can press at a time are 12 sheets. And so in my case, because I have 50, I just split them up into stacks of 10. Here's what the machine sounds like when you're pressing down. Now it's time to print the cover and the back. I'm using 199 GSM paper, bright white, and I got this pack from Staples. I used my HP Envy 6055E to print the front and the back because with this printer I can print borderless. Now it's time to laminate the front and the back. I used a 3mm laminating pouch, which I got from Amazon, and the laminator I also got from Amazon. But just a heads up, this laminator has been discontinued and they now sell a more upgraded one, which I'm pretty sure works better than this one because this one's pretty old. Now I'm going to trim off the excess laminating pouch and then I'm going to pass it through the laminator once again. Now it's time to punch holes on the front and the back page. Now it's time to load up the paper. So we're going to take the double loop wire and we're going to place it on the ring holder. Once placed, we're going to take not the entire stack, but just little by little because I found that it was a bit difficult to get all the papers in when doing it all at once. So I went stack by stack. Next, we add the cover, of course, facing up. Then we add the back, just turn it over and make sure that everything lines up well and insert it. Before clamping down the wire, make sure to turn your knob from punching to 7.9 millimeters. Now remove the double loop wire along with the paper with the open side facing the machine. Clamp it down and then you're done. Oh, and another thing, don't forget to cut off the excess wire that's on the top. I didn't really have to cut too much. You could use a wire cutter. It works perfectly fine. So there you have it, guys, the part 2 video of the unboxing of the Rayson TD-130 wire binding machine. Overall, this machine is pretty great. It's beginner friendly, and if you have been thinking about getting into the stationery business, I do recommend starting out with this because one, it's lightweight, it doesn't take up a lot of space, it's inexpensive, and it's easy to use. I will be linking all of the products I use in the description box in case you do want to buy them. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer them. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.